Hello. Please excuse the mess that I look right now. I'm oily. I just got home and it's hot outside. It's beautiful finally. And I got home to a nice package my coach purchased. Of course, I have a reason to buy, and the reason is I needed a summer purse. Like a summer purse where I could use, from work to evening. And so I guess this is like an unboxing. So let's just get to it. Now, as usual with my purchases, I like a good deal, so I bought this off Canada, coachoutlet.ca, and it's called a Cassie. I think it's called the Cassie. Oh my god, I look horrible. Opening. It's called the Cassie crossbody. You can wear it. Oh, it's so nice. And I like that it's simple elegance, and the neutral tones. Look at this. Oh, and so it was on sale for like $150. Don't forget, you can pay in installments with Klarna. Or was it Afterpay? I don't remember. It was one of those. But look at this. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Just like an animal when I'm opening stuff. Like, it's just, let's go. Oh, can't. It's gonna take forever. When it comes to like opening packages, seriously, I'm just like, I'm aggressive. The reason why I bought it was because it has this chain strap which you can, use long as crossbody or over across your shoulder, or you could make it shorter, ta-da, like that. And it's a pretty good size. I would say it's medium size, so you could fit quite a few things in here. And I like the simplicity of it. The Coach logo. Excuse my nails. I haven't done them in a while. I'm just a mess, right? So I love the gold hardware with the color block. But it's neutral, so it will go with a lot of outfits. It has a snap closure. I love that. And it has enough room, much more than stuff. There's a lot of packaging here. Let's throw this out. Okay, holy crap, there's like a lot of stuffing in here. So that tells me you could put a lot of stuff in here. I like it. It has dual compartments, really nice, dual spacious compartments, and then another slip pocket inside. Yeah, it's like pretty decent. It's big enough to hold your purse, your essentials, wallet, keys. Me, I always put my wipes, always. And then it has a slip pocket in the back. So I really like this. Of course, it's made of leather. And it has the, on the side of the bag, try to remove the package. My lips dry. Oh god. And I'm breaking out on top of it. Like, just, ugh. It's the time of the month. At one point, I thought I was having a, menopausal moment. But I'm not. I'm just going through the hormonal shift. It comes with a tag, Coach tag on the side, with a chain hardware. I love that. And I can't wait to wear this. And I will show you in the next clips what I can stuff this baby with.